Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have Twitter open and are signed in. Now locate the exact tweet. Tap or click the tweet to expand it so action icons appear. Once done, look for the share or more icon. This is where copying starts. Make sure you're selecting the single tweet, not a thread preview, because you want the specific URL. You'll use the share menu next, which shows options like copy link, share via apps, and bookmark. Choose the copy link action to capture the URL. After tapping the share or more icon, a menu appears with multiple options. This is where you select copy link to tweet. You might see different wording on mobile versus web, but the function is the same. It places the tweet's URL in your clipboard. Once selected, you should see a confirmation like a toast or brief message. If not, paste into notes or a text field to verify. This step ensures you're copying the permalink rather than the profile or app link. Now go to the destination and paste the URL. Long press or use Ctrl+V to insert. If the link opens in a web browser, it should point directly to that tweet with a timestamp in the URL. If pasting fails, recopy the link and check any clipboard manager that could interfere. Also, make sure the tweet isn't from a protected account because even a copied link won't be viewable by others. If so, explain to the recipient they need access to see it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.